come to the southern colonies, Virginia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Georgia, by Max, Cooper, Michael, and Diego. These are some plantations in the South where slaves worked. Rich landowners owned the plantation and the slaves. Oh, no, I got rid of it.
Michael.
Oh wait, no, it's recording. Hi. Wait. Slaves were captured by Africa against their will and brought to colonial America to work with no pay.
These are some of the natural resources for the southern region, including tobacco plantations, woods, and harbors.
The women were at the bottom of the social ladder, just above the indentured servants. Women's jobs were to stay home and clean the house and take care of the children. The women were not allowed to vote.
These are the specializations for the Southern: tobacco, indigo, and rice.
These are some examples of interdependence in the southern colonies. The southern colonies get their livestock. These are some of the geographic regions in the southern region. We have rivers, rolling hills, and flat land. The Southern was still loyal to the Church of England, but they didn't get to go there that often
Because there weren't church services.